What's the meaning of Anabaptist? Anabaptist. 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 Anabaptist.
Anabaptist refers to a group of Christians who emerged in the 16th century and believed in adult baptism, which they saw as a voluntary act of faith rather than an infant rite. This belief challenged traditional practices of the time and led to persecution from both Protestant and Catholic authorities. Anabaptists rejected the use of force, emphasized simplicity of life, and advocated for religious freedom. Despite their struggles, Anabaptists played a significant role in establishing the principles of separation of church and state and individual freedom of conscience.